Well, it didn't break. And the water's coming out. So there you go. Let's go dry it off now. I've done a few videos reviewing Tronsmart products. I have a couple more here, a larger speaker and a smaller one. Today, in this video, we're going to review the small one. This is a Tronsmart Mirtune H1 portable outdoor speaker, waterproof or highly water resistant, basically whatever. Here we go. Nice, same texture as the previous one. It's like a rubberized fabric type thing, not fabricy and not rubberized, something in between. I mean, it's waterproof, that makes sense. Volume up, volume down, play. Charges from the bottom there. Interesting. That's an exposed port, so I'm not sure how, I mean, I guess it's like an iPhone, right? iPhones are waterproof there. Nice rugged, this is a rubber feeling here, nice and rugged. You do get the carabiner. Do that. Power on. Bluetooth, just some texture basically to keep it from sliding. So pretty straightforward. Realistically, this one here. Let's get it turned on. We'll get it paired to my phone and we'll test out the audio. I'll give you kind of a qualitative assessment. We'll get some, obviously objective measurements with a noise meter and that, but I'll give you a qualitative assessment of how it sounds to me. Okay, so they do have the Tronsmart app. You can just download it. Obviously, we're going to need to say Bluetooth for that. Okay, so then we can find them when we want. Let's turn this on. I think I need to connect it to my actual phone first, though. So we'll go Tronsmart and Mirtune. I reviewed a bunch of these actually. Right there. Oop, it's basically, oh, I was going to say it's dead. It's not 100%. Very good. Is it that easy? It's already connected? That seems very fast. Okay, let's load up some music. I'll have to find some stuff that's not going to be copyright. So let's check the audio first before we do any settings. Really loud. Like really loud. I might have to cover my ears. All right, let's turn that down. Holy crap, does that ever get loud? Well over 9. I mean, it's a speaker. You'd hope it gets loud. It's also shooting right in my face, and there's a ton of bass. Holy crap, is that loud? I mean, I've used Tronsmart stuff before, and they're always impressive to me. I use Tronsmart as my daily driver. Like, they sent me a Bang SE, and I just use it. It's just incredible. That is a ton of bass for such a tiny little thing. I almost want to take it apart, but I don't want to compromise the waterproof. But holy crap, does that ever have a lot of bass? Yeah, that sounds really nice. Overall, that just sounds fantastic. Like, just baseline. It just sounds really nice. Okay, come back a little bit in the song here. I don't know, let's play with the equalizer, I guess. That's really impressive, actually. Auto power off, firmware update. Again, I mean, sure. I don't think we need to. It's the latest firmware. It's brand new. I think this thing came out a few days ago. I don't even think it's technically launched yet for you guys. It's fine. Here, let's play, and then we'll play with some of these different settings here. So default sounds really good. That actually does sound better. I don't know what it's doing, but it sounds better. That just brings down the high end and makes the bass more prevalent. I'm not a fan of that. Rock sounds good, nice and clear. Sound pulse, whatever that is with an R, sounds the best, by far. So I guess you can, play with it manually. Let's come back a little bit here. It doesn't need more bass, realistically. Like, you may even want to pull up some of that, like that. That does increase the bass, so it is working. Kind of like that, maybe a little bit more treble. Okay, I mean, yeah, it sounds fantastic. It's really nice. Holy crap, that's so good for such a small little thing. Yeah, let's go throw it in the sink now. Okay, so I'm back after throwing it in my sink there, and still it works, obviously. Just didn't make a difference. All I did was just shot the water out. So that's cool. I didn't realize it actually had a little thing there for your volume. That's cool. But anyways, yeah, this thing's fantastic. I mean, what do you want me to say about it? It sounds really nice. It's dripping water. It sounds really, really nice. Incredibly good bass, especially for the size. I mean, incredibly good bass. And just nice and clear throughout. These Tronsmart things are like, they don't miss. They don't miss. They're just awesome. This is going to be another one that I'm going to... I have one like this, the other version of this. We'll see if this one can beat it. The Bang SE, which I use as a daily driver all the time. This one I'm going to be also using as a daily driver, but for like more portable stuff. This thing sings better than my car sound system. Just leave it on my dashboard or something like that. Yeah, that's that. That's the video here. It's awesome. It sounds fantastic. The equalizer program works incredibly well, and it is apparently at least very, very, very water resistant, if not waterproof, at least within reason. I mean, throwing the sink did nothing to it. It's still dripping water out. But yeah, awesome. Awesome little product here from Tronsmart. Thanks for sending it over. And stay tuned for my other video because I'm going to be reviewing that one in a few minutes, and it'll be a separate video.